guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kimerayvonne, and today we're going to be having a girl chat kind of video. You guys know I love talking about girl stuff. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. So as you guys can see by the title, I have been experimenting with Yoni steaming, and I'm going to tell you guys all about it today, what it is, the benefits, how to do it, and my first experience with it. I've been doing a lot of research as far as what are some natural things that can help our body as women with periods, cramps, our day-to-day activities. What are some things that can just improve our overall body health through our vagina? I came across, I think they're called Yoni eggs. I came across those and I watched a lot of videos on YouTube about those, and I did a lot of research on those, but Yoni steaming was what felt right for me to do because you can do it anytime, honestly, and it's just easier access for me. So a Yoni steam is basically steaming your vagina just like you would your face or taking a shower pretty much, but it's with the use of herbs and other natural things to bring benefits to your body. So it works by carrying the steam of the organic herbs to the exterior tissue of the vagina, and it's also known as the vulva, and the warmth and moisture increases circulation to the vulva, causing it to open up and expose the inner labial mucous membranes. These tissues are very porous and absorbent, allowing the herbs to infuse their benefits, and the result is a healthier, more relaxed, and balanced connection to yourself. So I was initially drawn to Yoni steaming because a lot of people say that it helps with their cramps, heavy flow, insomnia, anxiety, and it's been a practice that's been used for a long time, but of course your own doctors wouldn't be able to give you that much information about it or even recommend it to you. So I decided to do some research on my own. I came across a lot of YouTubers. I believe her name is Earth Mama Medicine or something like that. She really encouraged me to go ahead and try it just so that I could share it with you guys. So when doing my Yoni steam, I wanted to add herbs that would help with cramps, number one, something that would help with cramps, a heavy flow, insomnia, anything that would detox the body and just add to my overall health. I decided to do the Yoni steam when I got off of my period just to get out that gunk and all that, just so that I could feel extra clean after shedding my uterine lining. It's not recommended that you do it during your period because when you do a Yoni steam, it'll cause your stomach to contract. You don't literally feel the contractions, but it's just not recommended that you do it on your period. It's recommended that you do it after and a couple times before to prepare your body for your cycle. I used a lot of herbs in my Yoni steam just because I was so excited to do it. I literally went through our cooking shelf and was like, what can I add? Can I add this? Like just looking up random herbs and spices that I could use and what benefits that they would be. So I added ground ginger, rosemary, coriander, paprika, basil leaves, oregano leaves, and I added apple cider vinegar because why not? I feel like apple cider vinegar helps with everything, and it also really helps to balance your pH out, so I just added that for the fun of it. All I did was boil the water until it came to like is it ravenous? I'm gonna just say it's serious. Until it came to a serious boil, and then I went ahead and I added the herbs to that and let it steep for about 5 minutes. After that, I took the herbs to my room, and all you really want to do is sit over the pot in a comfortable way. Some people do it in a squat, but I can't squat for that long, so I just sat like on my legs somewhere that was like comfortable for me. And then what you want to do is just wrap a blanket or a towel around your hips to trap the steam in there, and it does feel really good. It just want to make sure that it's not too hot or that you won't burn yourself or anything like that. But that was what I did. I steamed for about 30 minutes, and after I finished steaming, I took a shower and continued with my night routine. I really did enjoy doing this steam. I feel like it helped to clean me out, definitely. It was my first steam, so I can't really say that I found like immediate benefits or anything like that, but I definitely do think that I will be incorporating it into my hygiene routine, and I think it's something that a lot of women should know about because it honestly makes so much sense, you know, just bringing heat to your lady parts to get everything working and in good condition. It just seems right for us to do. I will be having a lot of hygiene videos coming soon on my channel, so definitely stay tuned for those. I want to do a period routine with you guys to show you guys how I go through my period in the most organic way possible. Also a hygiene routine video, and then another sit down lady talk with you guys talking about some updated tips to keep your lady bits clean, because I have found out a lot of interesting things that I've been doing specifically this summer to make sure that I can stay as fresh and clean as possible, and I want to share those things with you guys, so definitely stay tuned for those videos. They will be out soon. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye guys.